Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the web development series. So far we have talked about the JavaScript, how things work in the browser. Now it's time to move into the React, which is one of the most popular library used to build modern website. But before writing even a single line of code, we need to set our environment properly. In this video, I will show you what tools React need, why we need them, and how to create your first project step by step. And don't worry if all this feels new, and I will explain everything slowly and clearly. So let's get started. So in this video, we are focused on React environment setup. That simply means what software we need on our computer to start building the React application, and we will also talk about the Node.js, npm, Vite, and CRA or create React app overview. And by the end, you will know exactly how React projects are created in the real world. Now, what you will learn in this video. First, what Node.js and npm are actually are, because React depend on them. Then why React even needs a development environment. After that, we will compare Vite and create React apps CRA. And finally, we will create a real React project, understand the folder structure, run the development server, and build the project also. So by the end of this video, you will be ready to start React properly. Now, first one is the what is Node.js. So because this is where most beginner get confused, normally JavaScript run inside the browser. Even if you means open the console and write the console.log, this runs JavaScript run directly on your browser. But Node.js allows JavaScript to run outside the browser directly on your computer, and React itself in written in JavaScript. But the tools that React uses like project setup, bundling, or development server all run using the Node.js. So even though React run in the browser, Node.js is required behind the scene in the local server. Now, what is npm? npm, which stand for the Node Package Manager. npm comes automatically when you install the Node.js, and think of npm like a play store for the JavaScript. And whenever we need a library like React or we install it using the npm. For example, React DOM, Vite, all these are downloaded and managed using the npm. Now, why do we even need Node.js for the React? So a common beginner question is, if a React run in the browser like HTML file, why do we need Node.js? So the reason is simple. React uses the modern JavaScript feature, and that browser don't understand directly. So our code needs to be processed, bundled, and optimized before it runs. And Node.js help with the running a development server, managing the dependency, creating the production build. So Node.js is not optional, it is required for the development. So let's see the installing the Node.js and npm. So you simply have to go to the nodejs.org website, official website, and download the Node.js, get Node.js, and always select the LTS version. Well, this is no matter whether 20 or 22 or 24, but choose the LTS version and select your OS, Linux, Mac, Windows, and just command this. And now for after installation, we check if everything is working or not. Just open your terminal and type node-v, and this command show the node version, and also node npm-v. You will get the npm version. So if you see version numbers here like 10.9.3 or 22.20.0, that means Node.js is and npm are installed correctly in the your laptop, in your system. Next is the React project setup option. So Node.js is ready. let's see how we actually create React project. So there are two popular tools, CRA, Create React App, and Vite. Both tools help us to create a React project quickly and set up all configuration automatically. We don't need to configure everything manually. And what is CRA means Create React App. Create React App is the official tool provided by the React. It is a beginner friendly and require almost zero configuration. The command to create a project is the npx create react app. This is the compulsory word, create react app, like a hyphen and npx also, and your project name. So this create a full React project with everything already set up. Now limitation of CRA. CRA is good for learning, but it has some limitation. The development server is slow here. The final build size is the larger, and it is not very flexible for modern website and modern workflow. That's why most developers today prefer the Vite. And one more thing is the CRA is now depreciate, means we are not able to use it after the 15th February 2026. Means we have to for mainly move to the Vite, primarily move to the Vite. So what is Vite here? Vite is a modern front-end build tools created by the Ivanu, the developer of the Vue.js, and the development server start almost instantly in this, and the project feels light and faster. That's why Vite is now the recommended choice of every developer. And for that command, npm create Vite at the rate latest. So Vite was the CRA. So let's quickly compare it quickly. Vite is the faster, speed is faster here. Vite is produce smaller bundles as compared to the CRA, and Vite is easier to customize. And so far new project, Vite is the better option. And after 15th February, it is no longer needed. Means it is the only way to create the React project. Now creating a React project using the Vite. So let's create our first project using the Vite. Just open your terminal and write the command npm create Vite at the rate latest, and give your my app, your application name, means what you want project name. Just press the answer or enter. And now this asks npm to create a new Vite project. Now it will ask some question to like select the framework, vanilla, Vue, React, pre means light, Servlet or Angular. Select here React because we are using this, we are building the React project. Select a variation, means the programming language basically, in simple word. JavaScript I am choosing, and after that we use roll down Vite, no, and install with the npm and start now. Yes, install with the npm and start it. So it automatically move to the folder and start the project instantly. So it takes some time, maybe some minutes, and just small minutes. So as the installation is done and it start the our server. Now let's quickly move to this URL, localhost 5173. Let me copy this, paste here. So when we I and see our React app is running Vite plus React, and you can also like count is increasing, or means this SVG this are moving. So let's see the project folder structure. So let's move to the, this is our app, means our React project. So here node modules contains the install packages. Public is contains static files like your images of from using in the React project. SRC is the main application code in this complete file structure, and index.html is the main HTML file, and package.json is the project configuration of this project. As a beginner, we mostly work inside the SRC folder. We do not have to touch any other file like these. This is a readme file, and package.json. We don't have to touch these files right now. Just focus on this SRC folder. Now, key files here are the index.html. Index.html is the single page where React loads, and main.jsx where React connect to the DOM. Like here we have a div, id is the root here, and we are connecting it by using the script tag, and give here the path is script src main.jsx. In the main.jsx we are create the root, means document.get element by id root, and render the complete entire app. Inside this I'm means link the index.css file or app.css file, and app.css is the root component. When in every project we start writing our code here in this app.jsx file every time, and package.json contains the script and dependency, means how to start the server, how to build the project, how to make it means beautify, means linting role or dependency. So you don't need to memorize everything right now. We will understand them slowly in future videos. So the development servers run locally on your computer, right, like this, and whenever you change the code, browser update automatically. Like I write here, wait a second, I write it h1 tag, and inside this I'm registered hello JD, and I get the hello JD here. Whenever you change the code, the browser update automatically. The command to run it is the like this is run by default. Just let me stop it. The server is down here now, and now let's move to the terminal. Open and integrate terminal. Now let's run the command npm run dev, and you will get the URL localhost 5173, and now let's refresh. I get the hello JD, and this project is run. This makes React development very fast and easy. Now next is the okay, we understand the development server building for the production. When your project is ready, like here our project is running these and the optimization and minimization minifies the code. The command for this is the npm run build. So this create a production ready version of your app, just like npm run build. Whenever you deploy your project on the virtual or render, they run this command npm run build by on, and your project is now ready to deploy. Means like here this dist folder, you don't have to worry about this folder here, and you don't care about this. We will see when we complete the project in last of this series. Now let's quickly summarize. Node.js and npm are required for the React, and Vite is the modern and recommended setup tools for the project. We use the development server using the development dev server, and we build the project for the production also. This is the foundation of the React development. So thanks for if you understand even 60 to 70%, that's more than enough at this stage. In the next video we'll start React component and JSX, where real React coding begins, and all PPT and code links are available in the video description. So make sure to check that. If this video helped you, like it, share and subscribe to JDCodebase. If you have any comment in the comment section. If I'll see you in the next video.